So instead of the coroutine-based firing, we're gonna be needing to be adding the using system.collection since coroutines require that. And we're gonna be checking if we can fire by using a bool. And if we can fire, then we're going to start the firing coroutine, which all we're going to do is disable the bool so we can't fire again. We're going to create the bullet, and then we're going to start the coroutine, which handles the delay to the firing, which we're going to be determining the next time to fire here, which is going to be 1 divided by whatever our fire rate is. So if we want to set fire rate to 4, then we can fire 4 times a second since 1 divided by 4 is 0.25 seconds. And then we're going to wait that amount of time and then set campfire equal to true so we can fire again. Inside of the time.deltaTime based firing, we're going to be needing a float to determine the amount of time we've waited. So I just have private float time. We're going to be increasing the time that we've waited by time.deltaTime, which is the time between frames. And then we're going to determine the time we have to wait to fire again. So 1 divided by, let's just say 4 is 0.25 seconds. It's the exact same math using inside the coroutine based scripting. And then we're going to be checking to see if we've waited long enough. So if the time we've waited is greater than or equal to the amount of time we needed to wait, then we're going to be calling the fire method, which we're going to be creating the bullet. And we're set the time we've waited back to 0 so we don't infinitely fire again and we have to wait. Comparison of the two, coroutine lied to my interplay mode, but they both got inconsistent.